Okay, so as you can see, I used pencil first. I sketched it out. So I'm going to use this black crayon to outline it so that you can see a lot better, okay? So I'll start with my eye. So if your paper won't be as big as mine, so kind of look how big the paper is. The eye is going to be kind of small in the middle, way over on this side. So first, do my little circle for the eye. That's it. If you want to add this cool little, the sparkly eyes we usually do, you can go ahead and do that, but I'm just going to keep it a normal eye right now. Top eyelid right there. Same thing, kind of scoop down, around, boop, connect. Right there, got my eye. If you want to add the twinkly things, you can go ahead and do that. Now, after I do that, I'm going to put a line right about here. So kind of move out a little bit and down, and we'll put a straight line, boop, just like that. And from that straight line, we're going to draw a little line that goes a tiny bit down like that. And we'll go over a little bit, kind of just under the eye, okay? So we've done our eye. We have this little line, just like that. I'll zoom back out. See, it's way over here. Now we're gonna go way over to the tail. So way over on this side of the paper, I'm just gonna draw a little line, kind of away from the edge, lined up just with our other line. It's kind of hard to tell, but see how it's kind of just straight across. Okay, I have that little line. Now, the cool part, I'm going to connect the front way to the back. Deal? So to do that, from this little line, I'm going to add two bloop, bloop, little baby lines right over here. So just a little bit over, a little line, boop, over here, boop, little line here. And we're going to use these to connect to the front. So let me try to do this while holding the camera. This should be interesting. So when I go across, I don't want to go straight across. I don't want to go too big. I want to go up a little bit, kind of curve, a little straight, and slowly curve back down until boop, until I touch that. Let's try that. Ready? And if you ever need to erase, you know what? Who cares? You have erasers, right? I had to erase a couple times too. So go up, around slowly. It's kind of like a giant bendy line. It's a little straight up here on top, not super straight, but a little straight, and curving down, down, down. Down, we're almost there. Bloop, just like that. See that? Boop, like that. Now, same thing on the bottom. I'm gonna start from down here. I'm gonna go this way, but I'm gonna stop here. I'll show you why. So, I'm gonna go curve down a little bit, and about here, stop. So, not quite halfway, this is about halfway, so stop about here. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a line from this little part to about here. And the line's gonna curve. So, I'll go right here, curve it down a little bit, and stop. Okay, looks kind of like that. Ignore the gills right now, we'll do that in a minute. Or actually, you know what, let's do them right now. So I'll add the gills, remember that's how these fish breathe. Whale sharks are sharks, and all sharks are fish, and they have gills to breathe. All right, so we have this over here. Now we're gonna do the big fin. We only see one of them, but it actually has two. The other one's kind of behind it. We just can't see it right now. So from here, I'm gonna connect this line, bloop, like that, and draw a curvy line and stop, just like that. So I connect, keep going, and stop. Now over here, I'm gonna line it up like this, and I'm gonna draw a little line here, boink, like that. See how these kind of match and these kind of match? And now from here, I'm gonna do another curvy line and touch, boop. Got the big fin. Okay, but now look, we have to connect. So we're gonna go from here, the corner of the fin, and we're gonna go around slowly, around a little bit, and stop. Boop. Got it? And we're gonna do the same thing right above to kind of show its belly. So same thing, start at that top corner and go up, over, and stop. Start from this corner, boop, and stop. Remember, if you have to erase, go ahead and erase. It may not look like mine, but you know what? Who cares? We're having fun. We're drawing a big whale. Okay, now that we have that, let's finish the tail. So I'm gonna go back over here to the tail spot. We have these lines, this little guy connected, and this line back here. So we're gonna start this top part. We went and stopped. We're gonna go up, kind of curve around, slide down, boop, and like that. That's the big top part of his back tail. And then down here, same thing. Down, stop. Go around a little bit. Boop. Got it. Look at that. The whale has a tail. Looking good so far. All right, now let's add the fins. These big giant sharks have lots and lots of fins. On the bottom down here, it has these two fins. They're kind of like lumpy triangles. They're not pointy like a triangle. They're kind of lumpy. So I'll do it again real slow. So I kind of go out here, I go out and around, curve a little bit, back up and stop. Then I'll leave a little space and do the same thing. Curve out, curve back and stop. Got the bottom fins. He's looking pretty good, or she. Now on the top, kind of from right above and over a little bit, we'll do the same thing. Curve out, curve back around, back to the whale's body and stop. And then we're gonna do the top part. So up here, line up like this and go over a little bit, slide down and stop. Kind of like that. Looks good. Now let's add a little bit of detail. We're gonna add 3 lines over here because they kind of have little stripes. One line there. We'll move over a little bit, do one line down here. And on the bottom right here. 3rd line like that. Okay, and now he's got these cool little spots all over him. So I'm gonna take my pencil and put little spots all around. Right there. I'll do some by his stripes. Got some there. You can add as many as you want or as few as you want. And we'll do some up on his big top fin. Maybe you can count yours while you're doing them. I'm going fast just to show you, but you can take your time. Add some down here on his bottom fin. And maybe a little bloop right there. And he's looking pretty good. I think we're done with our whale shark. Now on the bottom, maybe we'll add the sea floor. So I will draw a line across, like a lumpy line to show the dirt on the bottom of the ocean. All the way across, nice and lumpy. Bloop. And you can take a green crayon, or brown or orange, some other color, and maybe put a little seaweed on the bottom. Squiggly, squiggly seaweed. Like that. Maybe put a couple over here. Whatever you want to add, you can be creative. Put some starfish or clams or little fish, whatever you want. Squiggly seaweed, do. And I'm not gonna color blue because that would take me forever with this giant paper, but You can go ahead and add some waves on the top, color in your whale shark, whatever colors you would like. Do a little bit on the seafloor. And when you're finished, see if you and your family can send me a picture of yours so I can see yours, okay? And my next video, we will label all the different parts of the whale shark. All right, bye-bye guys.